Stop.
Ow! Oh, frick, sorry.
What's up, guys? Yeah, so today we're back with another legit food review. I'm sorry. Anyways, today we're reviewing blue, actually they're backwards, but blue steak flavored Doritos.
Blue grilled steak. Here, wait, don't try. Yeah,
They smell
I gotta get one.
bad.
All right, so
First, all right, so let's 3, 2, 1.
not bad.
All right, so thoughts on the chip. Yeah, that's our film slave. Anyways, so 1 gram of sugar per package. That's not bad, although
Not bad.
quite a bit, quite a bit of quite a bit of sodium.
Actually, they're not half bad.
And
Hey, let me try one.
Sam, we're doing a food review. Get out of here.
Sam.
Hey, Fortnite.
Get out.
Anyways, but
Colors.
yeah. So yeah, the
Right there, 10. Right there, 10.
taste, texture, tummy feel. The taste is like a solid 7 out of 10. Sam, because it landed on the ground. Anyways, texture, like an egg Dorito. A lot of them are curved and broken though, so I'd say like a 8.5 out of 10. And tummy feel, doesn't make me feel sick, although could give me a better feeling. So that gets a 8 out of 10. So overall, that's a 6 plus 8 plus, hold on.
Please remain seated.
22.5 out of 30. Yeah. Overall, not that bad. Oh yeah. Sorry, the store told us.
Ow! Oh, frick, sorry.
Okay, no kick it. So yeah, we're back. We were experiencing technical difficulties, so yeah.
Video?
Yeah, it gets a solid 22.5 out of 30. That's pretty good. Slave is asking for one. Anyways, so that's pretty good. So yeah, these are here for a limited time for the Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom.
They're actually Thanos flavor.
Yeah. A guy in the store told us that we were kind of discussing, oh man, why are they called blue? And guy in the store was like, because the chips are blue, and that just blew our mind. Like
Thanos is conformed for Jurassic World 2.
Sam, stop.
He's the main dinosaur.
Stop. Anyways,
Sam doesn't like them either.
yeah, they're like.
Sam, they're great. Here,
They look like.
here, have them
they
unless
look
it
like-
has too much nectar.
They look like Grover
They
from
they
Sesame
taste
Street.
like the Yeezys on Thanos' chin. So perfect.
Pretty good. Yeah, it's yeah.
They taste like you licked the sweat coming off of
I stink.
the lines on Thanos' chin.
Steve, the photo slave here. What are your rates out of 10?
So yeah, we're back.
The video's already gone to crap. You better not put this on.
I can't eat
Our
it.
photo slave kind of got in the way. We just kind of killed him right quick. But anyways,
Peaches.
back to the video. It's yeah, for the Fallen Kingdom Jurassic Park. Yeah, track rescue and you could win. I don't know what that means, but yeah, overall. Oh my God, Sam, stop. So yeah,
Behind the BT
overall,
Brady.
pretty good. Gets my vote. Although they could get a bit better look. Although like they really
look
look
like-
disgusting.
They look like alien batter.
They look like.
They look like Grover if he had Ebola
Here, stop, Tim. Stop.
and a lot of warts.
Pink. Stop.
The video.
Meanwhile, our BraedyAM 09, whatever his name is vomiting because, well, if you keep it in your mouth for too long, it
They taste bad.
starts to get a real bad taste.
They taste bad.
Yeah, it's aftertaste gets
Do not buy this
a
product.
2 out of 10. It's not too bad. It's just not that good.
So total score is 16.5 out of 30.
No. Anyway,
Oh.
24.5 out of 40.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, but yeah, so that's gonna do it for today's legit food review on blue Doritos. Look.